Good afternoon, everyone. Extremely delighted to be in front of you for the inaugural function of the Phase 2 event at Chitkara University, Punjab. Looking back to the year 2007, when we put in place the first event, people like Dr. Vora, Dr. Pawan Goenka had to go with a begging bowl to force colleges to send their students to participate in this event. Cut to a scene, the event grew, and when we went and met the late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he set us into a very transformational thinking process by guiding us that the future of our country is going to be the e-vehicles, and the day you start the e-chapter, I would personally come and spend time with the students. And that made us think and start the e-chapter in 2015, and the event has never looked back thereafter. We've added the HCNG chapter, the autonomous chapter over the years, and today when we look at the footfall of the students, it is very clear that the footfall is aimed towards the country's vision of the more innovative and sustainable vehicles, and that is very evident from the participation, where the participation of students in M-BAHA is reducing, and participation in E-BAHA and across the other formats of the competition has been increasing very steadily. Conducting an event in 4 locations is not so easy because it requires a lot of financial outlay, and towards this we're extremely happy and proud to be associated with almost 40 sponsors who have supported us in such a huge manner, Bharat Petroleum being the title sponsor for the event at Pithampur. There are 40 other sponsors who have unrelentingly supported us all through this 18 years, due to which this event happens. We cannot forget the support that we have been getting from SAE International, SAE India, and other associations such as ACMA, CIAM, ASTC, AICTE, ECMA, FISTA, the Hydrogen Society of India, and last but not the least, our media partners, Autocar Professional and ET Auto. Thank you very much.